Alright, had a really awesome day today digging, but my camera's just now starting to work, so I missed a lot of the good ones. I dug an 1854 Canadian halfpenny, what else? A boatload of Wheaties, a 1917 Buffalo nickel, just up and down this old town here, up down the sidewalk, just knocking door to door, and finally got the camera working, and got a pretty decent target, not bad. Note the sign. And we found this. It looks to be either a World War I or World War II General Service button. So with that, we will see how this video is working. It may be crappy still, but we'll get some documentation of what we've done today. Alright guys, we'll see you at the next hole. Okay, not sure how old it is, and I just cleaned it off, but got this little necklace or medallion that says old drum. It says lucky piece on the back. Not sure how old or if it's old, but it's an old house. I've been finding old stuff all day, so we'll see. Alright, we'll do a little research and we'll see you at the next one. Okay, today is the hunt that was never, I would say never was, but it's a hunt that never was recorded. My phone camera was acting up stupid, so I didn't get a lot of this recorded. Today's the day mostly about the coppers, so I guess we should just title it all about the coppers. I'll just quickly run through it. I don't usually do that, but since I didn't get to record a lot of it, it'd be kind of interesting to see what we dug, right? Here we go. First signal of the day, which ended up being the oldest and the coolest. Let's see if I can get some light on it. Maybe not. Let's see. It's a 1854, and you can see the date. The 1854 Canadian halfpenny. You can see the date right there at the bottom. I'm going to flip it over. You can see half penny. You can just see the penny part of the half. But really shallow, and it's really thin. It was in right by an old sidewalk, and luckily there was enough on it to identify it. And let's see if I can get this thing to light up. 1854, kind of cool. Then we found this 1917 Buffalo. Then we found assorted other items. We got old costume jewelry. This little medallion from Old Drum, some kind of a blended whiskey alcohol thing. Dates to the 1920s, best I could find out so far. Then I found this General Service button. Not sure if it's World War I or II. I'm not sure really how to differentiate that, but I'll check. It's either one or two, one or the other. A little, I would say a crotal bell, but it's so small. I would say some kind of little jingle bell of some sort, whether it's off a pet collar or not. Then a little pocket knife, kind of a pewter case. And then a ton of Wheaties. I mean, the first row is all the 19 teens. Then we got a 1920s, 30s, 40s, and 50s. So kind of a cool dig. Not a lot to show by way of digging, but cool finds. And this thing here, I'm getting ready to research it now. It just says, I'd rather be killing communists. And it had a little plastic face to it, so I'm not sure how old it was, but we'll figure it out. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Sorry for all the horrible video here, but some video is better than no video, I suppose. All right, guys, keep up the digging. We'll see you at the next hole. Bye now. Got a new permission site here. Just stopped in. First target was this lock, And then we got a nice little quarter signal, and looky down there in the plug. Don't even know what year it is yet. We haven't pulled it up, so
Do the honors.
let's see what we got to do. Do the honors. Zoom in on it. Oh, 32, first year issue for these.
Really?
Yep. All right. Battery's getting low, so we'll see. A deep Indian. We'll see what year it is, if we can pull a date off of it. May not be. I can't even make the face out on it. Alright, she's pretty toasty, but we'll clean her up and see if we can get a date off of it. The sun's behind me, so you might want to get on this side. We got some another scratchy signal here. We got a silver rim right here. Let's see what we got. We haven't even busted it up out. Looks like a 41 Merc.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, not too bad. All right. Well, as long as the battery will last, we'll see you at the next hole. All right, Nate, we got another silver edge. We'll have you do the honors.
Don't know really which type of diamond it is yet. Looks like a Roosevelt.
Is it Roosevelt?
Yep.
Ah,
From 1950.
let me get a... I don't think we're going to focus, but 1950, huh?
Yep.
All right, good find.
A 3 silver day.
What's that?
A 3 silver day so far.
All right, we'll see you guys at the next hole.
See you at the next.
Hit another Indian here. We're digging quick because our battery's not long for this world.
What year?
I'm looking.
We're still looking for that.
1865?
Maybe.
It could be. Or 1905. Look. Could be 1905.
Not sure if we'll focus there.
I think it's 1905.
Okay.
All right. We'll clean it up. See you at the next hole, guys. Just dug at a new site. Found this 1902 Indian. After digging a bunch of current stuff, it's the only old target we've seen today, so not too bad. All right, we'll see you at the next. All right, folks, second decent target of the day looks to be a gold ring of some sort. We'll clean it up and see if it ends up being real or junk. So, all right, we'll see you at the next hole. Got a neat little signal here. Some kind of an old buckle. Never seen one like that before. Huh, gave a penny dime signal. It's about six inches deep. Huh, that's pretty cool. All right, well, we'll see you at the next one. We've got another unknown buckle here. It looks to be some kind of horse tack, possibly. Not sure, but it could be horse tack. Anybody out there recognize it or knows, let me know. All right, guys, we'll see you at the next hole. All right, train in the background, but haven't had a lot of luck at this place, but hit this token here. It says good for 5 cents at the bar. Not sure what it says on the back, but we'll clean it up, let you know what it is. All right, we'll see you at the next. All right, got a new property here and just kicked up what looks like a large scent. Could be a braided hair. See if we get a date off of it. Not sure. Oh, it looks like 1845. All right. Not bad for a first target. Could be 1849, not sure. Clean it up here a bit. Yeah, 1845. All right, not bad for a first start here. Back is awesome. We'll check it out. We'll see you at the next hole. Target here looks like a token. Not sure what it is about yet, but John Ferenner Sandusky, oldest music house. I nicked it on the back here, so I have to see what it dates to. We'll clean it up and we'll let you know what we find.